up? How you doing? I've been seeing you come across the room, I just need your attention for a few minutes. Is that cool with you? Yeah? Alright. So, listen. I can't wait to get to school each day and wait for you to pass my way. And bells start to ring. An angel starts to say, hey, that's the boy for you. So what are you gonna do? Hey, little boy, I love you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Think of you day and night, that's all I do. I can't get you out my mind. All the time, all the time. I begin to take the long way home, just so I can be alone. To think of how to say that my heart is here to stay. Hey, I'm in love with you. I think the world of you. So won't you please, please be mine? Oh, whoa, whoa, baby, on the time, second night, oh yeah, yeah. All the time. You know what, girl? I'm in love. I can see it. Yeah, I ain't seen it. I'm in love. People tell me I'm too young to be in love. I know what I'm feeling. And this is real. I don't know what it is, but I can't stop thinking about you. I think about you all the time. Baby, day and night, baby. I can't get you out my mind. I want you out. I just want you in my life. All I do is think about you day and night. I can't even sleep without you in my life. I can't get you out my mind. All I do is think of you. It's only when I write, when I sleep at night. Yeah, night. I can't get you out my mind. All I do. I don't want you.